Hey everyone and welcome back. Today we are diving into the steps on how you can easily download GTA 4 in PC using Epic Games. So, without wasting your time, let's get started. Here I am in Epic Games main dashboard. You can see in the top navigation there is a search bar. Now here you have to type GTA. Here you can see there is no GTA 4 on Epic Games. Instead you will be seeing the main GTA 5, GTA Vice City and GTA San Andreas. So to download this game you will have to switch to Rockstar official website. Now on the Rockstar Games website you just have to go to the search bar on the top right side near the profile icon, click on the search icon and type GTA. Then hit enter. You will be seeing the list of GTA game series. Now you can easily find the GTA 4 game. Just click on that. To download this game, you just have to click on Buy Now option on the top right corner, and this will be redirected you to the payment dashboard. You can see the total price of the game. Click on the price tag. Here you can choose payment option, the best suitable for you, such as credit card, Google Pay, Amazon, and Skrill Pay. Provide the relevant credentials and hit continue option. That's how you can download GTA 4 games on Rockstar Games website. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and see you around the next couple of videos.